Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love a good midweek casserole, but I like it budget-wise, simple, and fast and easy. That's why I put together this tuna casserole. You're going to love it. The whole family's going to love it. So let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, to kick things off here, the first thing we're going to do is boil up the pasta. And I'm using 3 cups of rotoni here. Now you can use the pasta of your choice, but I like rotoni. Just don't mess with the rotoni. Sorry, I'm doing a scene from a movie. And we're going to boil this until it's al dente, so about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, now our noodles are done. I've strained them and I'm going to add them to a large mixing bowl. Add in a stalk of chopped celery, a small diced onion, 2/3 of a cup of frozen peas, a can of drained tuna, which is about 6 ounces, and I'll do all the conversions to metric in the blog, I promise this time. A cup of old sharp cheddar cheese. Now, of course, you know me, I like the old sharp, but you can use the cheese of your choice as long as it grates well. And last but not least, a 10-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. Now, you can use cream of chicken, whatever you like. I just really like cream of mushroom. And my old friend, lots of ground black pepper. Take my handy dandy wooden spoon and we're going to mix this up well. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use 2 and kind of toss this. And just look at this, my friends. It looks so good. And I even had a little taste. It does taste good and it's not even baked. You can add your own signature to this too. You can add a bit of garlic, whatever, additional spices you like. But I think that's pretty good right there. Then we're going to add our mixture to a casserole dish because it is a casserole. Okay, let's make up our wonderfully delicious topping by combining half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. You can use a breadcrumb of your choice. I just love the panko. Half a cup of the old sharp cheddar cheese. And a good knob, a tablespoon of melted butter. And we're just going to mix this and combine it up. Now we're going to add our topping to the casserole, just kind of sprinkle this on. I love sprinkling. Now we're going to slip this into a 375-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until that topping is browned. After about 20 minutes, it's beautifully done, and there you have it, guys, our simple and easy midweek tuna casserole. So let's dig in here and see what we've got. And check this out, steaming hot, creamy, absolutely incredible. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head over to cookandshare.com. Believe me, all kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.